Delta 2889er final 03.
What you wanna do about it?
Wanna land, boy?
Airfield 2889er, roger, negative. Scooter 39ers. Correction, Philippine 105, radar identified on departure. Climb flight level 370.
Climbing flight level 370, Philippine 105.
Sendo 781, confirm established.
Cebu 781, right down with runway 03.
Sendo 781, roger,
That's
continue
one.
approach, report final.
Report final, Cebu 781.
I will continue reducing here.
Speedbird 24, Manila.
Go as slow as we can. Alright, we've got the vertical profile there. Let's keep reducing our speed. Start our turn to final. Can set 3000 for the missed approach. Flaps 2.
Sendo 781, what happened to your eyes?
J-speed 160. And we can go... Alright, go down flaps 3. Manila Control Double Gold 906, establish RNP runway 05 minimum approach speed.
2,500.
Check. Flaps full. Speed manage.
And station calling Manila, call sign.
Manila Double Gold 906, established RNP runway 05 minimum approach speed.
Double Gold 906, roger, continue approach, traffic landing.
Get in approach Double Gold 906.
Philippine 2819, report clear for runway.
Line checklist.
Philippine 2819, actually clearing runway Alpha 4 and runway cleared by now.
Philippine 2819, roger, welcome to Davao, taxi standard choice. Today, break.
Line check is complete.
Double Gold 906, wind calm, runway 05, Davao, clear to land.
Runway 05 clear to land, Double Gold 906.
In taxiing to Gator choice for Philippine 2819, thank you.
Good separation by ATC there.
Cebu 781, turning final, runway 02, Sam.
Sendo 781, roger, negative weather information, Zamis, runway 03, clear to land.
Runway 03, clear to land, Cebu 781.
Scooter 545, Manila Control closing in a bit, radar services terminated, Unicom 122.8, good day.
Emergency Unicom Samantha 545.
Airway 028, radar identified and departure, Manila Control closing in a bit, radar services terminated, Unicom 122.8, good day.
1228, have a good day, thank you.
Cool Red 328, radar services terminated, Manila Control closing, Unicom 122.8, good day.
Unicom 1228, right 328,
Cebu 227, and radar services terminated, Unicom 122.8,
Check.
today.
122.8, good day, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Cebu 645, radar services terminated, Unicom 122.8, good day.
122.8, bye-bye, 645.
Philippine 105, radar services terminated, Unicom 122.8, good day.
122.8, good day, sir, Happy New Year.
Double Gold 906, once landed, Unicom 122.8, good day.
We're going to come into the ground, Double Gold 906, have a great New Year.
Send the 781, confirm no dog on the runway.
Nagpusa.
400.
Turn. Visual.
300. 200.
Send the 781, welcome to Ozamis, runway 03 left, and report clear for runway.
50. 40.
Roger, vacating her right. Now,
10.
Cebu 781.
5.
Roger, never knew there were 2 runways in Ozamis.
Rear screen. Diesel.
All stations, Manila Control closing. Monitor Unicom 122.8, good day.
No. Thank you for your control. Have a good day.
Boundary braking. Head over to Unicom. Do our after landing checklist after we vacate Alpha 4 here. After landing checklist, radar protective wind shear system. Check those off. Get the flaps up. Flaps up. Night lights. So keep the runway turn-offs on for now. Get the AP started. Davao traffic, double code 906 vacates runway 055 Alpha 4 taxis Alpha to the stands.
Welcome to Davao.
Thank you, sir.